Safari Connect. The Safari Connect tent is a game changer for camping lovers. Instead of struggling to sleep on cold, uneven ground and fighting off bugs, this tent hangs between trees like a giant hammock. It gives you a comfy and cozy place to rest, high above the dirt and pests. Imagine enjoying nature with the comfort of a bed in the air. This hanging tent is super strong and can hold up to 440 kilograms, which means it's perfect for 2 adults, plus a small child. It's the toughest model made by its manufacturer, built to last and support heavy weight safely. One of the best parts is that it lets you camp in amazing spots where regular tents can't go, like over rocky terrain or near water where the ground is wet or uneven. Setting it up is easy, and it's recommended to hang at about 1.2 meters above the ground. Shake 12. The Shake K-12 is a heavy-duty assault rifle from Russia, built for close-range combat and used by special forces. It was designed especially for high-power action in tight spaces where quick and strong firepower is needed. With a bullpup design, the magazine sits behind the trigger, making the weapon more compact and easier to handle in close quarters. It weighs about 11.5 pounds without a silencer and can fire up to 650 rounds per minute. Its effective range is between 984 and 1,140 feet, which is perfect for short-distance missions. The Shack 12 uses a special 12.7 to 55 millimeter cartridge made just for this rifle. It comes with different types of bullets, including powerful armor-piercing rounds that can go through bulletproof vests and even damage lightly armored vehicles. There's even a version with an under-barrel grenade launcher for extra firepower. Shoal Tent. The Shoal Tent is a super cool floating tent that lets you sleep right on the water. No campsite needed. It's like a mix between a raft and a tent, perfect for lakes, calm rivers, or ponds. Shaped like a square and measuring 2.4 meters on each side, it's designed to stay stable while you relax or sleep. The floor is 15 centimeters thick and acts as a comfy air mattress, so you don't need to bring extra bedding. Safety is also a big plus here. It has 3 separate air chambers, so even if one deflates, the tent will still stay afloat. It's great for chilling, fishing, or watching the stars while floating gently on water. The tent weighs 59 kilograms and comes with everything you need: a carry bag, a repair kit, and a pump. It's not the lightest gear, but once you set it up, the experience is totally worth it. The price is a bit steep at $2,900, but for something this unique and adventurous, it's perfect for those who want to try camping in a whole new way. Bring your outdoor space to life with these beautiful solar string lights. Priced at just $89, they offer a magical glow without needing any electricity. Whether you're decorating for a party, setting a cozy mood for your patio, or lighting up your backyard, these lights are both stylish and eco-friendly. They come with 20 durable, shatterproof bulbs and 40 RGB LEDs that can change into 7 different colors to match any vibe or occasion. One of their best features is flexibility. They can run for up to 7 hours on high brightness or up to 26 hours on low. Charging is easy too. Just leave them in the sun to recharge via the built-in solar panel, or plug them in using a USB Type-C cable if it's cloudy. You don't need to worry about outlets or wires. Just hang them up and let the lights do their thing. Perfect for anyone who loves a little color and charm in their outdoor decor, these solar lights are energy-saving, weather-resistant, and super easy to use. With Spit Pulsa 27P. The Spit Pulsa 27P is a small, cordless nail gun that makes fastening U and CW profiles super fast and easy. It's powered by gas and runs on a strong battery that can shoot up to 10,000 nails on one charge. That's way faster than traditional tools. Its lightweight and ergonomic design means it's comfortable to use, even when you're working overhead or in tight spaces where it's hard to move around. The nailer works cleanly without creating dust and has less vibration, which helps keep you safe and comfortable on the job. It's very versatile and can be used for fixing floors, walls, and ceilings on tough materials like concrete, stone, steel, and plasterboard. The tool supports nails between 15 millimeters and 27 millimeters and has a magazine that holds 30 nails at a time. SR Ford 10. Turkey isn't just famous for its beautiful beaches and culture, it also makes some cool guns like the SR Ford 10. This gun is a unique 5-shot revolver shotgun that shoots .4 and 10 caliber shells. It weighs around 3.3 kilograms, but there are lighter versions with shorter barrels made especially for the Canadian market. One version is only 61 centimeters long and weighs about 2 kilograms, so it's small and light enough to fit into a backpack easily. The gun makers have shown many upgraded models at exhibitions, including versions with better ventilated ribs and rifled barrels, to make shooting more accurate. The smaller Canadian version costs about $700, which is pretty reasonable for such a handy and powerful weapon. The SR410 is great for anyone who wants a compact shotgun that's easy to handle but still packs a punch. Survival Torch Fire Starter. The Survival Torch Fire Starter is an awesome all-in-one tool for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or just wants to be ready for emergencies. It's small and easy to carry, but super powerful. Inside, it has a special ferrocerium rod and a steel striker that help you create sparks easily. What makes it really cool is the wax-coated hemp rope that can burn for up to 3 hours. Perfect for keeping a fire going without needing extra fuel. No matter if it's wet or rained on all night, this fire starter still works great. It's built tough with a strong aluminum case that protects it from damage, so you can trust it to last for about 1,000 uses. Ten-Point Nitro 505. The 10-Point Nitro 505 is a powerhouse crossbow designed for serious speed and precision. Shooting arrows at a jaw-dropping 505 feet per second, it's faster than a Formula One car at launch. Priced around $3,000, this high-tech beast is packed with features for top-level performance. Its advanced optics help you hit targets up to 100 yards with pinpoint accuracy. The built-in ACU slide system makes cocking and decocking the bow safe and easy. You can stop at any point without risk, which is a big deal for safety and control. It comes with Evo X carbon arrows designed to handle extreme speed without losing accuracy or strength. Weighing just 8 pounds, it's surprisingly manageable for such a powerful crossbow. Energy Infinite Air 5T. If you love backpacking or spending time outdoors, the Energy Infinite Air 5T is a handy gadget you'll want to know about. It's a small, lightweight wind generator that charges your smartphone using the power of the wind. It only needs a gentle breeze of 3 meters per second to start working and can fully charge your phone in just 4 to 5 hours. The Littlest Shotgun. This tiny shotgun is an amazing replica inspired by the movie Killing Them Softly. An expert took a regular 12-gauge shotgun and cut the barrels down to just about 3 inches, making it super short and compact. Because it's so small, it's much easier to reload quickly and move around with, which is great in close fights. It also has a strong kickback that can push enemies back, giving you a little extra edge. People joked it might even hurt your fingers because of how powerful and close the blast is. Even though it's tiny, this shotgun still shoots well, but it's made for short-range action, not long distance. This little gun shows how creative people can get by turning movie props into real working weapons. It's perfect for anyone who wants something lightweight and handy, especially if you like close-up action. The Littlest Shotgun proves that sometimes smaller weapons can pack a serious punch and be a lot of fun to use. If you're into unique firearms or just want a cool conversation piece, this tiny shotgun is definitely worth knowing about.